Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Austria. Guten Tag, Guten Morgen to our Austrian friends. And yeah, Eurovision Song Contest 2025, it was concluded and it was won by this amazing artist from Austria, a half-blooded Filipino. Ooh, I'm so very proud because JJ was very proud also to win Eurovision Song Contest this year, and I was hearing that he is proud to be a half Filipino also. And this video, let's get to know a little more about JJ, and also with the winner of Eurovision Song Contest Austria last 2014, and they just had collaborated with their both amazing song. And I was so excited doing this video reaction because I know guys you are excited also because how these two collaborated and making a mashup of their winning song during Eurovision with their year. Conchita Wurst and Thomas Neuwirth, born 6 November 1968, is an Austrian singer, actor, fashion designer, wow, human rights activist, and a drag queen who is known for his stage persona, Conchita, or simply Conchita. He came to international attention after winning the Eurovision Song Contest 2014 as an Austrian entrant with the song Rise Like a Phoenix. Oh my God. And together with the Wasted Love. And I was so proud because I think three winners from the Eurovision Song Contest are very like out and loud for part of the LGBTQ community, including Conchita Wurst and also JJ. I don't know what the other one. Let's get to it, guys, and enjoy with this of JJ's a little of him and also with Conchita Wurst together with their duet. Have fun with this, and please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Let's get to it and enjoy.
You're a superhero.
Joy.
Hi, I'm JJ from Austria, and here are three things you need to know
Three
about
things.
me. I can wiggle my ears together and individually, and I can move my
Wow.
arms like in a waveform.
Oh my, that's talent.
I'm pretty good at recreating voices and sounds.
Hola a las personas who watch Eurovision.
Shakira.
Soy
Ah.
JJ. Gracias.
I love going to old Viennese cafes with my friends, and I always have to get the same drink, a Viennese melange.
Melange.
Which is actually like a cappuccino, but just fancier and just tastes so much better.
Oh my God, that's fancier and crazier. Goodness gracious, I really like it. And now let's get moved to like from year 2014 and 2025, announcing the winner of Eurovision Song Contest. Oh my God, I'm so excited with this too because I know both of them are very proud. And of course, Conchita Wurst are very proud with JJ because the way, of course, your country winning another trophy for Eurovision Song Contest. I know that everybody from Austria celebrated to this win of JJ. And of course, yeah, let's get to it, guys, the announcement.
We are ready to announce the winner. The winner is Austria.
It's amazing. That's amazing, the announcement of it. You can truly feel and how happy you are. Even me, that I didn't rooted for JJ at the first because I only have one video reaction on him on the submission of their interest for Eurovision. I didn't see him, but when I internalized the lyrics of the song, when I did another video reaction for the semi-final round, that's the time that I felt that there is something on it. There is something special on the song. There is something on the performance that people related deeply, because the way it was sung, the way it was performed during the semifinal, it was a bomb. It was like full of heart, full of emotions. There is the quirkiness. There is something that everything in one performance that it captures with the heart of the people. It captures the Eurovision theme, and that's amazing how JG won. Kudos, bravo. Now the performance of them, their collaboration and mashup with their winning pieces. Enjoy, guys.
Waking in the rubble, walking
Oh,
over glass. Neighbors say we're trouble. Well, that time.
oh my God. The tone of Conchita was so amazing. I really like the introduction of her song. It's so wonderful to listen. The sweetness, the melody, and the lyrics of it. It's so powerful message. This is amazing. Even that you are watching with him, the way he just performed on her year, she's very different, because the way she has this beard wear on, but still she performed it so nicely. She performed it so elegantly, and the powerful message, the best performance of that night that Conchita did an amazing. I really like this song also. She's amazing and fantastic.
Peering from the mirror, no, that isn't me. Stranger getting nearer. Who can this person be? You wouldn't know me at all today. From the fading light, I fly, rise like a phoenix.
Oh my God, Rise Like a Phoenix. And the way, the melody, they're different tone that you can truly feel and identify, that it makes the song so beautiful when making this duet. It's so amazing to listen. You can truly identify that this is the tone of JJ and this is the tone of Conchita Wurst, and that's amazing. The way they just collaborated, it's so fantastic. And goodness gracious, this is so great collaboration. Bravo to these two winners.
Out of the ashes, seeking rather than vengeance. Retribution you want. Once I'm transformed, once I'm reborn. You know I will rise like a phoenix.
Both of their songs, like this Phoenix, was so nice. I really enjoyed listening. I really enjoyed the way it was arranged. It's so perfection, and it really created something for Conchita Wurst, that it makes something that it's so special for her, that she performed this one. And now hearing with these two amazing artists singing it together, the more it tastes so different, the more elegant, the more it's so fantastic to listen. Wow, goodness, this is a perfection collaboration of them. I know both of these artists happy to see each other after Gigi's winning. My goodness.
'Cause you're my flame.
Wow.
When you let me go,
JJ.
I'll barely stay afloat. I'm floating all alone. Still
This is what I like with JJ, because the way he just performed his song during the performance, and now it's like I appreciate now. I appreciate too much, because the first one I watched is I didn't understand it fully. Now I truly understand. I truly feel the emotion and compassion he did to the song. Those hand gestures, those like eyes watching to the heaven, to above, and something it's telling, those small like gestures that he did, that to relate to the song. And that's incredible. That's, I think, the jury saw how JJ put an emotions to his song, and that's really amazing.
I'm holding on to hope.
God. I really like the way they just sing. You can hear something that's like in a tenor, or I don't know how to identify with JJ voice, because this is like an operatic singers, and there is something tone of that one, how to identify or name of the tone. And also Conchita, there is like a down tone that he just did, and it's so amazing to listen because the way it collaborated, the way the song make it so brilliantly great that wow, you enjoyed listening. And the way they just did it, the performance, oh my God, make this a music video that both of them sang together with their amazing winning pieces. And I think it will mind blown to everybody. This is so great. How perfect that duet and mashup and collaborations. The place that it's so like Sistine. It's so amazing. And hearing with their amazing voices, that's mind blowing. I really like this performance. I really like this duet. This is to like this is to, I think, saying thank you to all the fans of this amazing artist from Austria, that how thankful they are giving the chance to win in Eurovision Song Contest, that people can relate to their songs, people could understand deeply the true meaning and their performance, how passionate and compassionate they are towards their performance and their song. And that's amazing. I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one, because I enjoyed it so much. I'm so happy to know a little more about the JJ, that he speaks in, I think he speaks also in different languages, Filipino and German and English, and I think he knows also French. And yeah, the favorite coffee that he has, and also those eyes and ears can those like this one, the eyebrows and what, and ears also can move. Whew, thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching with this one, because I enjoyed it so much. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any JJ or any Conchita or any Austrian artist that you want me to react, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Guten Tag, Guten Morgen to our to our Austrian and German friends. Bye-bye guys. Have a good day everyone. God bless and mabuhay kayong lahat.